Good morning, this is Elpus Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this week. Today is Monday, and today I read for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. And this reading here is for Cancer. Welcome, Cancer. It starts with every little thing you do is magic, and the card that came out for you is the 10 of Pentacles. And the card is about a cycle of earthly abundance that has come to a climactic ending where you find deep stability, success, and attainment. Fortuity encourages us to consider that when everything is in alignment, then we are able to find more abundance, more success, and more gain. So when you look at the joy within your home and also your bank account, then consider all that went into your achievements and into this celebration. This is a moment to bask in gratitude. You can channel the vibe by using the Crystal Vanadinite for bliss, abundance, and also fulfillment. The good tarot comes next. The card is 4 of Fire. And the card is about some new creative phase that is about to happen. Celebration, pleasure, and harmony in relationships. See this? Dancers, they have partners. Singers, they have musicians helping them create sweet music, and I find others who are in sync with me and with my desires. It is a time for celebrating friendship and all that others bring to my life. A time for revelry and relishing the pleasures of being in good company. Making magic together with others is the focus at this time for me. The Psychic Tarot card is moving on, and the message is that you are about to embark on a much needed journey to leave the past behind. This card lets you know that there is light at the end of the tunnel, and it signifies that a time has arrived in which a difficult cycle in your life is coming to an end. And in the traditional tarot, the card also implies some traveling or going forward, involving crossing some water or even moving abroad. Calmer waters, they are ahead of you, and with all the lessons that you have learned from past experiences, you are approaching this period and you are so much stronger for it. The healing process is underway for you, and now you can set your goals, your desires, and your objectives to secure a more positive and successful future. Because your mind is more settled and less worried, synchronistic events will bring the right conditions and introduce the people into your life for your highest good. The oracle of the seven energies is birds of a feather. It's about sharing, about community, a sense of belonging, fellowship with like-hearted people, and understanding the concept of we before me. And it starts with a question asking, have you ever wondered how people naturally gravitate to one another and discover a surprising intimacy and connection? There is a kind of magnetic energy around, like an invisible ray of light that gently pulls the people together to form something beautiful that can be shared. As in the saying, birds of a feather, they flock together. It comes from an instinctual need for belonging, you might say. We need community to survive, to thrive, and to grow. We humans are social creatures after all. None of us, they are meant to be alone. The concept of belonging is playing an important role in your life right now. Perhaps you recently found yourself in a group where you knew you were in the right place. So trust those strands of connection. For now is the time to thrive in the community. What you will find is a deeper and a greater way of looking at the world by opening up yourself to others and by sharing ideas, hopes, and dreams. However long you stay here in this journey of becoming who you are meant to be, connecting to community and participating in fellowship is the best thing for you right now. You will flourish as a part of a network of like-minded and like-hearted people. So stick to what feels good and resonates with your heart as being true. When you understand the value of this community, then you will discover everything you are hoping for and much more than you were expecting. The Nature's Whispers card is assurance. And now the page closed up and I have to find it. Here it is, assurance. And the message is to remain steady and be assured that you are doing exactly what you are supposed to do. You might be seeing small signs that things, situations, and desires are just beginning to fall into place. Your focus and your skills, they are intact. You will feel motivated in work areas and therefore make good inroads on your usual work. New ways of dealing with things will occur to you. Fresh perspectives, they will appear, and as a result, your life will move towards harmony and balance. So trust yourself. You have everything you need. And the universe has your back. Card is for you. This one say that message here. I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love. That was the reading for you, Cancer. I thank you for listening. I wish you a wonderful Monday. I wish you a gorgeous whole week. I'm sending lots of love out. Take care and goodbye.